Earn $100 a day using ChatGPT, real and practical step-by-step guide. Welcome to the Fortune Compass. If you've been searching for a way to make $100 a day online, this video is your shortcut to success. Today, I'll show you practical and proven ways to leverage ChatGPT to earn real money, without wasting time on generic advice. Step 1. Offer freelance content writing services. Businesses and individuals are always looking for great content. Use platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to offer blog writing, product descriptions, or social media captions. Here's the practical part: use ChatGPT to generate drafts. For example, ask, write a 500-word blog post about eco-friendly home tips. Then, refine the text to make it unique and personalized. Set competitive rates, starting at $20 to $30 per project. Completing 3 to 5 projects a day will easily hit your $100 goal. Step 2. Create and sell niche digital products. Use ChatGPT to generate content for ebooks, templates, or planners. For example, ask ChatGPT to outline an ebook like 10 easy steps to save money every month. Design it with Canva to make it visually appealing. Sell it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or PayHip for $10 to $15 each. Just 10 sales a day can get you to $100 quickly. Step 3. Provide social media content services. Small businesses need engaging social media content. Use ChatGPT to create Instagram captions, Twitter threads, or LinkedIn posts. For example, ask, create 10 Instagram captions for a small bakery promoting Valentine's Day specials. Pitch your services to local businesses through email or networking sites like LinkedIn. Charge $300 to $500 monthly per client for just a few hours of work each week. One client alone can help you reach $100 daily. Step 4. Create ChatGPT-powered email campaigns. Email marketing is one of the most effective ways businesses connect with their customers. Use ChatGPT to write email sequences. For example, create a 3-part email series for a fitness brand promoting their online classes. Pair it with tools like MailChimp to manage campaigns for clients. Charge $50 to $100 per email series and complete just one project a day to hit your goal. Step 5. Start a micro side hustle with ChatGPT. Here's a less obvious but profitable idea: create quizzes, scripts, or summaries. For example, offer quiz-making services for teachers or companies using ChatGPT to generate multiple-choice questions. Sell these quizzes on TeacherPayTeacher or pitch them to educators directly. Charge $15 to $20 per quiz. Just 5 quizzes a day will get you to $100. Pro tip: combine strategies for maximum impact. Don't stick to just one method. For example, create an ebook about social media tips and use it as a portfolio to land social media clients. Leverage ChatGPT's flexibility to multiply your income streams. Call to action. Now it's your turn. Which strategy will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If this video gave you practical insights, hit that like button, subscribe to the Fortune Compass, and turn on the bell for more actionable tips on building your financial future. Let's start earning together.